Hey, nobody tell Kanye, but this knob is the sauce, bro. You literally just have a saw wave going into the MG Dirty filter. But this bode effect is so criminally slept on. Start by just offsetting the shift a little bit, and then turn up this delay and the feedback. And you start to hear a little tail, add some blur. And then this balance makes it bend in different directions. Or you can have it bend down. Everything is so like interdependent on each other. It's so much fun to Oh, these really tight tails.